Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between here and here. It is very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused how to spell these words since they sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Here, spelled H-E-R-E, is an adverb and means in, at, or to this place or position. Let's look at some examples. Come here, John. Look at this cute dog over here. I go to school here. Do you live here? Turn right here. Here can also be used when introducing something or someone. Examples. I can't find my keys. Never mind, here they are. Here is an example. Here's the money I owe you. Here, spelled H-E-A-R, is a verb and means to detect or perceive sound made by someone or something with your ears. The past form of hear is heard. Let's look at some examples. I can't hear you because I am walking on a busy street. Do you hear that noise? I can't hear the music. Please turn it up. Hear also means to be told something or informed about something. I hear that you got a new job in France. I heard he had a fight at the bar last night. Did you hear that I broke up with Joe? Now let's read some examples using both here and here. I hear that you live here now. Did you hear that Jane started working here in our department? Here is Grandma's hearing aid. Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework is to write one sentence using here and one sentence using here. Write your sentences in the comment section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson on the difference between here and here. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.